Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do press on nails. I've been doing press on nails for, I would say, over a year now, a little bit over a year now. I have my own business, so I just wanted to share how I paint the nails for beginners, you know what I'm saying? This video is definitely specifically for beginners. I'm not doing any designs or anything like that in this video, but yeah, as you guys can see, I have nail tips, I have a nail file, a dusting brush, some nail stands, gel top coat, and the nail color. I'm just setting everything up, you know, and yes, I'm showing you guys some gloves because I strongly recommend you use gloves when you're making nails for other people. This set is specifically for me. I did this specifically for the video, so this is not for one of my customers. I'm placing the tips on the nail stand so I can get ready to paint them, shape them, and yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna speed it up for you guys, and I'm sorry if you guys hear background noise because I live in New York, so anybody who lives in New York could tell you that a lot of construction goes on here. But right now I am shaping the tip of the nails because as you can see, the nails are already pre-shaped. So yeah, the tips usually leave like a open space at the top, and I like to make sure that's secure and make sure it has a nice, beautiful, cool fin shape. So yes, that is what I'm doing right now, and yeah. So right now I'm gonna take my dusting brush and I'm gonna dust off the dust that came from the nail file, because you don't want that dust to get into your nail polish, because that's when it becomes lumpy, it becomes like dirty, and you know, things like that, and you want everything to be clean, secure, and beautiful. You don't want any dots in between the polish, so make sure you dust off your nails after you file them. If you have to, I would suggest you guys wipe it off with alcohol so that it's completely off, but mine, I made sure that it was completely off. So now I'm taking my color polish. I got my polish from Amazon. If I could remember, I will definitely leave the description down below so you guys could go check that collection out. But the main polish that I use is Beetles. This is not the Beetles polish, but it is another good polish. But yeah, for beginners, I suggest you guys go on Amazon and you get the little packs of color polish, because if you start out big and you're not getting any orders, you know, that's a lot of money spent. So I would suggest you guys get the smaller ones. I'm actually in the process of trying to get bigger ones, trying to figure out where I could get it from, and yeah. But when you're painting, you guys, you want to make sure that you are wiping the sides too if it becomes like you have too much polish like overflowing, because you still want to keep your shape. If you put too much polish on the nail, you guys, it's definitely gonna lose its shape. It's gonna have like circular, I don't know, like curved tips, and you don't really want that. You want everything to be good, secure, and nice, you know. So yeah, that is the advice that I would give you guys for that part. Right now I'm putting it in the light and I'm letting it cure for 60 seconds. If you need it to cure a little bit longer, you can, but I do mine for 60 seconds. I took it out. That is the second top coat. The second coat of polish. And yes, you can see the difference between the first coat and the second coat. I suggest you guys use 2 coats because it gives the nail more strength, and you don't want it to look like you have no color on there. So make sure you guys are using 2 instead of 1. So you guys, right now I took it out. Now I'm gonna be putting on the top coat. I prefer beetles. A lot of people use A-press. I think that's how you say it. I really don't know. But beetles is a good starter out for you guys. I suggest you get the bigger bottles because top coat goes very quick. I keep 2 on me. I'm actually about to order another one because the one I'm using right now, it is running out. So I just go over it the same way I would with the color polish, and I do 2 coats of top coat to give it an extra strength. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to have the I don't know how you say, like the flimsy type of nails that you would get from like a Target or somewhere else. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. As you guys can see, I put some on the other nail because I don't want to have too much, you know, because that's where it leaves air bubbles and all of that, and you don't want that. If you guys are doing this polish and it is coming out too like it looks like you're using a lot of polish towards the ends of the tips, I suggest you guys take your 2 fingers and try to like make sure the ends are as straight as possible. I wish I would have showed you guys that, but I see that I didn't. I'll probably include a video at the top. Yeah, I think I will. But yeah, I'll include a video at the top showing you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm just taking the top coat, and I am putting it over the nails. As you guys can see, I am about to start taking off the nails from the stand. If you guys get it to stick on the blue stuff, you could just take it off. And yeah, I'm taking it off and I'm putting it down, making sure there's no blue stuff under it. And yeah, I use alcohol to clean the nails behind, because you know you want everything to be clean, especially when you're selling it to other people. Make sure that everything that you're using is clean and good, especially because we're in a pandemic and you know it's always good to be clean. So as you can see, I'm using a paper towel and I have alcohol on it, and I'm wiping the insides of the nails. Sometimes I will wipe the tops, but I usually wipe the tops when I put it inside the box, so that it doesn't have any fingerprints, which is why you should also be using gloves. You get what I'm saying? I use gloves when I'm doing it for my customers, but like I told you guys in the beginning, this set is specifically for me, so I didn't want to waste the gloves because those are kind of like high demand right now, you know? So yes, but you should always wipe your nails off with alcohol. As you guys can see, I have a box here. This is the box that I use for my business. I'm actually about to start changing those things around. I'm no longer gonna have holographic boxes, but I will be sharing this. I'm gonna show you what you guys where I got it from, and that is Dollar Tree. I got it from Dollar Tree. It was around Christmas time. I got a whole bunch of boxes just so that I could stack up on them, and yeah. So Dollar Tree is your place to go if you want jewelry boxes for cheap. I'm putting them in a box now, and this is how they look. This is how I would ship them off. for somebody, but I just put it in the box just to show you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend.